You just rolled out of bed and you open up your closet to see what comfy hoodie you're going to throw on today. Cause let's just face it, it's a hoodie kind of day. You pull them all out and imagine yourself wearing each one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You think to yourself, I can really do better. So you decide to pull out your whole hoodie collection and head on over to Pinterest for a little inspo. You get to scrolling and you see this one. You think to yourself, now that's a good one. Ooh, and that one too. And look at the one with the sweater bottom. Yes, you might have to do that one. Then you realize you actually have an old sweater too. But what about this one? Do you dare? You wonder, can I pull this off? You decide to go ask your almost 13-year-old.
No.
You decide to stop asking almost 13-year-olds. You'll have to make this decision for yourself. But which one will you choose? Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited for this series. I don't know if you guys used to read those choose your own adventure books when you were a kid. I did. I used to love those books because you get to pick your own outcome, and if you pick wrong you get to go back, and there's so many options. It's almost like the book never ends. So I have been wanting to do a choose your own adventure upcycle edition for so long. So let me tell you how it works. So in a couple of minutes, you're gonna get to choose what you do with your hoodie. Now, this is kind of like Netflix. If you're watching this the day this comes out, you will be able to binge watch all 4 upcycles. Yes, all 4 are there. They're ready and they're waiting for you to watch them. But they'll also be released as regular videos in the next coming weeks. But right now, if you're watching it and it's new, they're all unlisted. So they're kind of like secret videos. So yes, you can go in, watch one, and then you can come back to this video to get to the next one, or from any of the videos, you can look in the description box and find all the links to the secret videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Definitely, please guys, this took so much planning. So if you enjoyed this, blow this video up by hitting that like button and also by sharing it. Let YouTube know that Blueprint DIY is doing some amazing stuff over here and you want to see more of it. Like, we could do a t-shirt version, we can do a blazer version, we can do a men's dress shirt version. I would love that. So if you love this, definitely let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, because we're always doing crazy new stuff over here. All right, so it's time to choose. What do you want to do with your hoodie? The choices are all around me. Yeah, and definitely let me know which one is your favorite. All right, choose wisely and may the odds be ever in your favor.